Okay, folks, example number 4 here says negative 4s plus 7t equals 10, and 4s minus 2t equals 5. Okay, well, let's think about this. Do I have the same number in front of the s? Yes, I do have the same number in front of the s. Are they opposites of each other, or are they the same number? Well, they're opposites of each other. Okay, well, that means to make them cancel out, I need to add them together, because negative 4 plus 4 cancels out. All right? So I know that for this one I'm adding. Let me copy the problems down again. So I've got negative 4s plus 7t equals 10. And 4s minus 2t equals 5. All right. Now remember, just like we were adding or subtracting, we're going to draw a line here. But remember, I'm going to draw columns here because I want to make sure that I'm adding or subtracting like terms, okay? Now, we said because they're opposites of each other, we need to add to make them cancel out. Remember, our whole goal here is to get one of the variables to go away so we can solve for just one variable, all right? So negative 4s plus 4s just cancels out. 7t plus negative 2t is 5t. And then 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Divide by 5, divide by 5, t is equal to 3. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? Now, I know that t equals 3. Remember, we always write these in alphabetical order. S, t. So I'm going to put 3 over here. All right? Now, let's plug it back in and find out what s equals. I'll use the bottom one because there's, well, it doesn't matter, right? Because there's a negative 2t, but okay, fine. I'm just rambling. 4s minus 2 times what t equals, 3, equals 5. 4s minus 6 equals 5. Huh, how about this? Add 6 to both sides. 4s equals 11. Wow. Teachers, you're falling down on your job. Divide both sides by 4 and s equals 11 fourths. Okay? Mr. Cortez, I'm expecting teachers. You know, I'm expecting a teacher answer, and I didn't get a teacher answer. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let's check it and see if it works. I can always do that on my test. If I get an answer and it doesn't look the way I think it should look, we'll check it. Let's plug it into the first one. Negative 4 times s, which is 11 fourths, plus 7 times 3, which is t, equals 10. When I multiply those, the 4's cancel and I get negative 11 plus 21 equals 10. Well, that's true. 10 equals 10. Negative 11 plus 21 is 10. All right. So that one, it worked for the first one, but remember, for it to be a solution, it has to solve both of them. All right, well, let's plug it into the other one. 4 times 11 fourths minus 2 times 3 equals 5. All right, the 4's cancel. 11, that turns into minus 6 equals 5. Okay, even though it's a weird-looking answer. Okay, that's a weird-looking 5. Even though it's a weird-looking answer, it still works. That's the point. That's where they would meet. Now think about this. If you were trying to solve this by graphing, 11 fourths is 2 3/4. That'd be a hard x to find if you were graphing. It works much better with substitution or the addition or subtraction method. Okay? All right. Well done. You're ready for your homework. Get started.